Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you about some apps that from which you can easily make money just by posting your pictures. And you don't have to be pro about it. You just have to upload your pictures and get paid. So let's check it out the best apps that can turn your snapshots into some cash. First we have this Hawke. This app lets you sell your photos to brands and companies looking for unique content. So just upload your pictures, and if someone buys it, you get paid. That's as simple as that. How cool is that? And the photo does not have to be pro, it has to be simple, and the buyer has to choose them for you. Next, we have Shutterstock Contributor. So Shutterstock Contributor is basically you have seen stock images online, I'm pretty sure, and chances are they came from here. Like pretty much they must have came from here. So you can upload your photos, and every time someone downloads them, you earn the royalty points. It's as simple as that. Next we have IEM. So IEM is an app, it is another marketplace if I must say, where you can sell all your high quality images. So what cool about this app is that it has AI, artificial intelligence that help you tag and rank your best photos, making it easier for the buyers to find them. So as you can see on this website, pictures are amazing. So I just got lost. So moving on to the next one, we have Snapfire. So Snapfire is one unique because it pays you for completing custom photos. So what's that? That basically means that there are basically photo challenges. You have to compete in them, and the brands they post a specific photo request. So if your shot gets selected, you win the cash, and that's it. So if you love taking photos, why not turn them into some passive income? And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.